Hi, Aishwarya.
Hi Vikas.
Yeah. So just want to ask, what really inspired you about sociocracy?
So when I first read about it, I thought it is a very powerful concept, and coming here for 3 days, I've realized that it's a concept, it's a system which can be implemented in any organization. It is fluid, it's not rigid, and the process is such that it is a very dynamic process, can be changed according to the needs of different organizations, can be work with diverse communities, with all sorts of people and all sorts of groups that are there.
So you like the flexibility it provides?
Yeah, and also it is very economic in a way that decisions are taken very efficiently and effectively. Major decisions especially don't go on for so long, and the best part is that there is consent. So the sense of ownership is very important according to me, and sociocracy allows everybody to have a voice. At the same time, decisions are taken in the shortest time possible. So
With everyone's consent.
with everybody's consent. So I think that it's like it's funny that this has not been something that I thought that when I studied this and when we were doing in the workshops, most of the things seemed like they were such commonplace things, and they're very natural, and it made me wonder that seriously we were living for so long without having something like this in place. Like, what is wrong? So I think that I would love to introduce it to everybody that I am associated with.
Okay.
And I see the future as something which is efficient, beautiful, and consent, where everybody has a voice. So
Okay.
I'm really glad to be here.